Announced. Shiba Inu Coin devs are doing this to stay safe. Shib devs pushing business away from joining Shibarium. Shiba Inu developers believe that multiple projects that have been burning Shib for a long time already are scammers. Today we're going to talk all about what Shib devs are doing to stay safe from scammers. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 16th of July, shall we? Shiba Inu has been displaying a positive trend recently as the coin gained 29.18% in the last 30 days. The medium-term trend for Shiba Inu has been bearish, with Shib dropping by 60.14% in the last 3 months. The long-term picture for Shiba Inu has been positive, as Shib is currently displaying a 37.53% one-year price change. On this day last year, Shib was trading at 8 millionths of a dollar. Shiba Inu reached its all-time high price on October 28, 2021, when the price of Shib peaked at 88 millionths of a dollar. The current Shib cycle high is 12 millionths of a dollar, while the cycle low is at 7 millionths of a dollar. Shib has been displaying high volatility recently. The 1-month volatility of the coin is at 11.72. Shiba Inu recorded 17 green days in the last 30 days. The sentiment in the Shiba Inu markets is currently bearish, and the Fear and Greed Index is reading extreme fear. The most important support levels to watch are 10 millionths of a dollar and 9 millionths of a dollar, while 11 millionths of a dollar is the key resistance level. 6 indicators are currently signaling a bullish prediction for Shiba Inu, while 21 indicators are showing a bearish forecast. With 78% of indicators favoring a negative prediction, this results in an overall bearish sentiment for Shiba Inu. Now let's get back to the topic. At Shib_Superstore account on Twitter that represents a business of game developer Travis Johnson has published a post claiming that Shiba Inu developers believe multiple projects that have been burning Shib for a long time already are scammers. As an example, the person behind the account named himself, despite the fact that he has been burning Shib for almost a year, already has moved billions of these meme tokens to dead-end wallets, where they were locked permanently. Travis Johnson doubts that serious startups will want to launch on Shibarium Layer 2 solution for Shib if they're treated in a similar way and considered to be scammers by the Shib development team. The game dev particularly stated directly that if this treatment persists, nobody will want to join the Shib army to expand the adoption of this meme coin and burn it to reduce its circulating supply. At Shib_Superstore burns Shib tokens every Sunday, buying Shib to be burned with part of profits from mobile phone games and from selling Shib-branded merchandise and goods. Recently, the shop has begun burning Shiba Inu via an affiliate program with Amazon. Now the firm is setting up production of a Shib energy drink. However, the dev team of Shib have preferred to negotiate a partnership with the global and well-established brand Red Bull instead. Another good news about Shib is that Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of the meme coin ecosystem, announced the new projects via a blog post. In addition to a stablecoin of its own and a new token, the Shiba Inu ecosystem will soon feature a new collectible card game destined for its future metaverse. Shi and Treat details. The developer commented that recent events involving the stablecoin segment, which became in crisis after the collapse of Terra USD, motivated the Shiba Inu community to have its own stablecoin. Named Shi, Shiba Inu's future stablecoin would be able to avoid the problems found in other assets in this category, having been independently created by a group of developers in our decentralized network, according to Kusama. Shiba Inu and Treat. Treat, a new reward token intended for the Shib community, will be applied to the entire project ecosystem, including its future metaverse, Shibarium. The asset would still play a crucial role in the card game in development, Shiba collectible card game, and in providing stability for Shi. So far, other details about the tokens and the new card set have not been revealed, and it is not possible to set a date for their release. However, Kusama commented that if all goes well, the stablecoin would be released later this year. Shiba Inu Metaverse under construction. The leader of Shiba Inu also brought updates on the future metaverse of the meme coin. Referring to the Shibarium, Kusama said, "As of now, everything is still on track, and we're moving as quickly as possible to complete this key component of our ecosystem." He adds that the project brought in a number of new developers that we met in the last year to help us with the UX/UI and redesign of our web portals to complement this project. However, the release date for the Metaverse beta phase, which will be open to the public, remains undisclosed. At the close of the story, Shib was trading at 11 millionths of a dollar, up 8% in the last 24 hours. Despite this, the asset has accumulated a devaluation of 87% in relation to its historical maximum price, made in October last year. In that month alone, the token soared over 1,000%, making it one of the cryptocurrencies that experienced the greatest appreciation in 2021. Another good news about Shib is that 163.2 billion Shib were bought by top ETH Whales. Shiba Inu investors are getting mixed signals with the meme token facing market uncertainties. At press time, Shib traded at 101/10 millionths of a dollar. It was up by 23% over the past 7 days. Shiba Inu has managed a good recovery over the past few days. Despite whale accumulation, the token continues to tread far below its all-time high of 8,616 millionths of a dollar. Notably, accumulation has ramped up for Shib among top Ethereum whales recently. According to Whale Stats, Shib has become the third most acquired token among the top 100 Ethereum whales. The whales in the process of accumulating the meme token purchased around 150 billion Shib in the past day. The burn check. Interestingly, in the past 24 hours of writing, nearly 62 billion Shib tokens were shifted to dead wallet addresses, thus removing them from circulation. According to a Twitter handle, SheBurn, the burning of these tokens took place over 8 transactions. In the wake of this burning, investors were expecting an appreciation in the price value of Shib. However, much to the disappointment, Shib dropped by 1.17% over the day to 101/10 millionths of a dollar, but was still up by 23% during the week. In fact, the volume on the network was also down 42% over the day as it battled through the market uncertainties. The social dominance metric has, however, taken a huge leap since the morning of the 24th of June, not exactly scratch-proof, but Shib has held through the bearish waves of the crash this month. While Shiba Inu is managing its way out, the market saw another domino fall in the face of a liquidation crisis. Physical futures crypto exchange CoinFlex became the latest to pause withdrawals on its exchange after Celsius and Babel Finance. On the other hand, crypto broker Voyager Digital has also been in the news lately after issuing a statement about withdrawal limits this week. The daily withdrawal limit on the platform was reduced from $25,000 to $10,000. What's next for Shib/Doge? Shib's ongoing rally against Doge risks exhaustion due to a classic bearish reversal pattern. Notably, Shib/Doge has been fluctuating inside a rising wedge defined by 2 ascending, converging trend lines. Rising wedges typically resolve after the price breaks below their lower trend lines, accompanied by a rise in trading volume. In theory, the breakdown move could pull the price to the level whose length is equal to the maximum distance between the wedge's upper and lower trend lines. The chart below shows Shib/Doge in a similar setup. As a result, the pair risks falling to the 1,233 to 1,348 millionths of a dollar range, depending on its breakdown point, a 15 to 20% drop from current price levels.
That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!